We got our tickets. Safety first. Here he is. Speaker. He wants to sell you pictures. She's happy. Aww. Good morning. Day 2 in Chengdu. Today we are in Leshan and we're gonna see the big Buddha. So the plan is to take the boat, drive on the river and have a look at this big Buddha statue. Weather, not really on our side. It's raining. We hope it's going to clear a bit. It's pretty misty if you look around. So we are hoping that it will be going the boat. If not, we'll have to climb those stairs. But hey, fit as we are, shouldn't be a problem either. But yeah, definitely would prefer the boat. After that, we're going to visit the museum on top of the hill beside the Buddha. And we'll do some sightseeing around there. And then when we come back to Leshan, we're going to do some food tasting tour, of course. Who would not do the food tasting, right? Foodies as we are. Anyway, so we hope for some better weather. Maybe it clears up, hopefully. And then we're going to see the big Buddha. Yes. So, if you see those queuing lines here, we are lucky. It's empty, the place. There's no one. Look around. So usually here, Helen just told us you would be queuing for 2 hours to get into the boat. So basically, I think we are very well off. Again, we are early. It's not even 9:30. So we got here pretty early. We started at 7:30. It's almost a 2-hour trip to get here. So I think we're lucky, at least with the queues. Not with the weather, but with the queues. So let's see. Not much waiting. It's a very big bonus. Now, let's get in. Let's not wait for the buses to arrive. We got our tickets. Woohoo. Okay, let's start queuing. Basically, we're just walking straight in, as it looks like, which is cool. Looking forward for that little boat ride. The morning mist. The rain stopped actually, so it's a good thing. So maybe the mist gets better until we get to the Buddha, so we see him actually. Could be nice. For now, we just enjoy not having people here. Just remember, today is the 8th, August the 8th. So it's the last day of this Golden Week. So we have the vacation going on here. Today is the last day. So I think people are tired of partying. So they're going to be home and sleeping off the hangover from yesterday's evening. Let's see. Security control. So we see you on the other side. All right. Easy peasy. We are in. No problem whatsoever. Nice waiting lounge here. Some seats. So if you're not good on the feet, you always can actually take a break, which is a good thing. My God, we actually really just rushing through the whole thing into the boat. Security control was pretty easy. We just put our bags in, that's it. Now the tickets, no, not even. Just walk straight through. All right, no biggie. Let's see, there is a boat waiting, I guess. I hear some diesel engine humming. Okay. There it is. God, there's no one. Look at that. How cool is that? That's lucky. Perfect timing. There are the boats. Just nicely made, like always. Finally, this is the ticket control maybe. So the fun thing, this boat, we came, the boat takes 99 people, 99. And when they say 99, they mean 99, not 100. They were missing 3. So they had space for 3. We are 4. So we wait for the next boat. It's okay. We have time, I guess. Funny. Anyway, with these little people today, until the boat fills up to 99, it might be some waiting. But hey, as I said, we have time. We've got time. So we hang around, we check. Weather's all right. Ah, there you go. Can do some history here. Read some stuff and learn some stuff. Oh, pose moment. 3, 2, 1. There! It's about the Buddhism in Leshan. Leshan, they call it, I think.
Haitong, the designer.
Interesting. Right, so that floating thing here is not our boat. It's the waiting area, boarding area, that we might call it. So we're gonna go on there to go on to the boat, which is actually behind. It looks like. Yep, it is behind. Cool. So maybe not too long waiting either. See how that goes. The boarding end area. Ah, cool. There are the boats, 2 of them. It's a bit like in Guilin, when we boarded those boats. You walk through 2 or 3 boats to reach yours. Yep, same here. It's like 1 and 2 on the outside. That's it. We board. Good. Just beep the ticket basically, and off we go. Now, boat number 1. We just walked straight through. You guys sitting having a morning coffee and the smoke. Oh, that's something with the smoking. Boat number 2. Ah, boat number 2 is ours. All right. Nobody's smoking here, so this is already good. Ooh, life jackets. All right, let's find our life jacket. Safety first. It's a bit loose and wobbly, but okay, it's not going to help anything if I fall in. But I'd rather choose to swim anyway, so it's good. So let's see. We climb up the boat. Now we have to see, because now they're all going to push and everybody wants to be in front, of course, we know that. And first, and God knows what. So let's see, I don't know, the lady in front of me. We'll just squeeze in. There are my girls. Those I know. Yes, so we're going to wait until we have 99 people on board. We're not going to leave with 98. It's going to take some time today, I guess. But it's not a problem. Weather, as I said, is clearing. See, it's getting a bit more clear now. The mist is disappearing little by little. And then we're gonna take our boat, drive down or up, I'm not so sure, the river, and see the giant Buddha. It actually looks really good today. The rain is completely stopped. And the view is clearing. It's very warm. It's super humid. It's like sticky. I guess it's like 27, 28 degrees now. So yeah, perfect. Couldn't be any better now, could it? Something is happening. I think we're starting moving now. Or not. I don't know. Yes, we're moving. Officially moving. The boat has started moving, so we must be 99 on board now. Rules are rules. And here comes the announcement, so I'm going to stop now. So right now we're just packing up, really. Which direction are we going to go? Are we going to go this way? Okay. Ah, this is actually, oh my god, we're not going far or something. Oh my god, I don't see the screen. But it's right over there actually, the pagoda. When you see the little thing sticking up on the mountain, the pagoda, this is where we're going. Just basically around the little island there. And then we are right there. So this is not going to be a long trip or something. Even a little. Nice. But hey, we're going to stay. Oh, we just lost our spot, of course. Nah, so now we are blessed. Speaker. He wants to sell you pictures. I'm gonna get one of those, I told you before. So here you should have something in the evening. Light show and so on going on. Not now. Of course. See already how it's made. So basically the boat is going to go this way now. We see the Buddha from the left side. Then the boat turns around. Everybody's going to run to this side. When we go back, and then we're going to stop here. Here, they're going to kick us off. Then we're going to do the walkway here. Walk there and then up to the temple. And have a look. So it's going to be some climbing and walking. Okay. And then I guess we're going to come back to the boat one point. Get back to the port. Or not. We'll find out together. Is it a submarine? No. Okay. Alright, I think this is where we're gonna go. Helen says it takes us 15 minutes. She knows us, so she should know better. It takes at least 30. No, I'm kidding. Should be fine. So you see people already hiking on the mountain there. This is where we're gonna go. Pagoda, I guess we're gonna pass by. And that's it. Getting close now. Yes, here is the Buddha coming up now. So we're coming up to the big Buddha. Here he is. Wow. Cool. So for all of you who think, oh my god, this guy is flying by. No, you can't even take pictures. Don't worry. We are actually really just passing by right now in order to turn around. And then we're going to stop a bit further away to actually see something. So that's why we choose to be on this side. And everybody's going to come running here now. And it starts. Here you see the whole mountain. It's really, really impressive. So we have the head of the sleeping Buddha, basically, this island here. And then the rest is the body, and then the feet at the end. You look at it from the side, basically. You see in the mountain all the passages where you're going to be climbing and walking. So this one we see here is the one that's going down, where you have to take to go around and touch the feet of the Buddha if you want, which we didn't opt for. Okie dokie, we're getting closer to the statue. The pushing gets a bit harder. So here we get to it. Oh no. Yeah, and we start announcements again. Alright, I take my chances. The announcements have stopped. We have stopped in front of the Buddha now for a while actually. So everybody is having a chance to take pictures. Oh, I talked too soon, I'm sorry. There we go again. Anyway, I'm trying. So here you can come to touch the feet of the Buddha if you absolutely must. Up to you. Boat ride is still the best option. Oh my god. We take that later, guys, I'm sorry. Just enjoy the view now. Okay, we try again. So here we see the nice Buddha actually. Pretty good view of it. if we have a look now, you have the guards, one here, one there, the Buddha itself, the head, the body, the arms and the feet. The feet you can walk up all around, come down on this side and then go around and then touch the feet, and you have to go up and walk up again. It's a pretty tough thing to do apparently. So we opt for the boat. Boat is 70 yuan per person. I think this is affordable. You get some very nice shot, because when you're too close to the Buddha, you don't see it actually really. It's too tall. It's 70 something meters tall. So when you're down there, you don't really see much. So distance is actually better. And the boat is nice. Now everybody has his pictures. Once everybody is done, you can actually also enjoy to get to the front and take your own pictures. So just give it some time. Boat is going to be here for around 5 minutes or so, no problem. Really standing still. Enough opportunity for you to get your family pictures done. So no need to rush, to hurry, to fight. Just take time. Anyway, again, back to the Buddha. Really, really nice. Definitely worth the visit. Boat ride is finished. Now we get off. Go on the hiking tour. Girls are ready. I am. Boat is not. Soon though, I guess. And we're off the boat. Get up the hill. How nice. So here we are, landing point. We are gonna go to the right from here. Helen says, Helen is the boss, so we follow Helen. You know what's happening, right? Shopping? No, we actually just need a magnet. Sophia's dragons. I think we have all of them actually. Don't you have all of them actually? I think.
My kids also have this.
No?
Have this and
Really?
also have the.
But anyway,
bird
have
and
to go
the
to
snake.
mommy. See some magnets if they have it. Okay. So yes, didn't end up with only a magnet. We also had to buy a little umbrella. Yeah. Well, you know, we're here now, so why not?
Yeah,
I mean, if you don't spoil your kids, what you working for then, right? Oh no. Goes for them anyway. Okay, we paid 30 for that, and I think it's worth it. Come on, 30 yuan for that and 20 yuan for the magnet. You know, it's gonna pop up somewhere again. It's not really big sums we're talking about. But look at her, she's happy. Aww. A little note: don't use it in the rain. It's paper.